This side over here, you can see all the tires that we utilize for our crumbing process. These are all radial truck tires. On this side, you can come and see some of the steel. This is the de-beaded steel that we've manufactured and already used. So let's take a walk actually in to the factory. You can follow me. A little bit noisy, but I'm hoping you'll be able to see me through the microphone. So if we can see over here, we have some of the tires that are being currently de-beaded. This is the machine that we're utilizing right over here. You can see it on this side. Just follow me, we can come around, have a look. It's over there on this machine. And then let's take a walk over here and you can see some of the other things. This side you can see we have the shredder, which is actually downsizing much of the material to smaller pieces before it goes into other parts of the equipment. And then you can see the final product and various other different things being produced over here. So let's take a walk with me. This is some of the coarser crumb that is actually produced. And then we actually downsize it even further with different kinds of equipment, which is actually shown over here. You can see all the different bits of equipment. It's working to break down the rubber crumb into much finer material. For instance, you'll be able to see now that we have very fine rubber crumb that's actually produced over here. You can see that product over here. This is ultimately what we produce and sell to different markets. So let's take a walk further. There's quite a lot of different equipment. This is what we call milling. So this is where the material, which is slightly coarser, is then actually ground down into much finer powder. You can actually see it over here. Take a walk. And you can see some of the equipment that's just over here being utilized. So that's essentially what happens in the recycling department. And then we can take it forward and then we can see what we use the product for in terms of molding, etc. So follow me. Just be careful of the different packaged materials that are here. We can take you through to the other building, which is where that we package different kinds of material. So if you can see here, this is where we do the molding. Here we're doing different kinds of sieving, and then we take the material that's over here. This gets then mixed with polyurethane. The polyurethane gets again put into the mold, into this molding equipment. You'll be able to see over here if you come up a little bit. You can follow me here. You can see the material that's being utilized there. Come down a little bit and let's take a walk over here. Come over here. And then on this side we're also making different types of tiles. I'll show you what kind of tiles that are being made over here. This is the other material you can see here. It's being utilized. Come up a bit and then let's take a walk. And then this is the material that's used. And then we actually utilize it to press and manufacture tiles like this. You can see